Welcome back, my dear children. Hope you all are safe and follow your regular online classes. Today I am here to continue your chapter, that is 4E. So let's get started today's class. So my dear students, please open your book, page number 91 and exercise 4E for your reference. And in this here instruction given that find the products of the following. So we have to do here multiplication, and this first one I will do in board. So let's do the board work. So in your book, page number 91, first one I will take for the example. So we have to multiply this one and we have to get the product. So first we have to do the first step. We have to do the step by step, because if we are doing step by step, it is easy for us. So first step is step 1. It is we have to do 5 ones into 2. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are 10. So we have to write 10, 0. 10 ones, that means 0 we have to write here, and 1 we have to carry forward in tens place. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos. We have to do the tens place, that is tens place 3 tens, and here 2 we have to multiplication by 3 tens into 2. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. And then 6 tens and 1 tens we have to add, that is 7. So we have to write here 7 tens. Next one example also I will do for you, that is, please listen carefully, okay? So first we have to do the step 1, that is ones place. Ones place we have 5 ones and 2. So we have to multiply with 5 ones into 2. Then we have to, first we have to read the table number, that is 2 number table. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 10 ones. So we have to write here 0, and we have to carry forward the 1 in tens place. Then we have 2 ones and 2. So we have to multiply 2 ones into 2, 2 ones into 2. Then we have to read the 2 number table, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we have 4 tens and hands 1, that is carry forward 1. So 4 tens and 1 ten, that is 5 tens. So we have to write here 5 in tens place. Hope all of you understood. Now let's go to the next number. Please, my dear students, complete this ones in your copy. I will give you, that is PDF format. Now we are going to do the next one, that is instruction given that multiply the following. We have to do the multiplication here, and here hundreds place also number is there. You see that hundreds place also number there, but before multiplication we have no hundreds place number, but here we have to do the big multiplication. So let's go start today's one. Here also I will tell you, you have to do a multiplication by step, because if you do step by step, if you do step by step, then you have no mistake. So please, step by step you do the multiplication. So first we have to do the ones place, that is step 1. Step 1 we have, first you have to do 5 ones and 2. So you have to do 5 ones into 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 10 ones we have, so 10 ones 0 we have to write, and 1 we have to carry forward in tens place. So now we have tens place 1 10 and 2. So we have to multiply this 1 10 into 2. That is 2 ones are 2. 2 tens we have, and hand we have carry forward 1 in tens place. So we have to add this one. So 2 10 plus 1 equal to 3 10. So we have to write here also 3 tens means, you know, my dear students, that is 30. 3 tens means 30 ones. So we have to write here. So 2 ones are 2 and 1, that is 3. So we have to write here 3 in tens place, and next in hundreds place we have 4 hundreds, and 2 we have to multiply with 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 800. So we have to write here 8. So the answer is 830. So let's go the next page. My dear students, please open your book, page number 90. I will do the last one for your example, that is 289 into multiply with 2. So first we have to do the step 1, that is 9 ones into 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So we have to write here 18's 8, and we have to carry forward 1 in tens place. Then we have tens place 8 tens and 2. So we have to multiply with 8 tens into 2. Then we have to read the 2 number table, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 16 tens plus 1, that is 17. So 17 tens, 7 we have to write here, and we have to carry forward 1 in hundreds place. Then we have to read the 2 number table now also, that is 2 ones are 2, 100 place we have 2, and we have to multiply with 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 400 plus 1, that is 5. So we have to write here 5. So the answer is 578. Now let's go do the next number, that is exercise 4F, page number same, that is 92. Here instruction given that solve the following word problems with story sums. Okay, so we have to solve here story sums. The story is, first we have to read the story, that is there are 3 books. Each book has 222 pages. How many pages are there in all? So we have to do the total, that how many pages in each of the book. In total number, how many books? Okay, each book have 222 pages. So we have to multiply with 222 into 3 books. Okay, so let's go do the two. Hundreds place 2, then tens place 2, and ones place also 2, and with multiply with 3, because there are 3 books and each book have 222 pages. So you know, I will tell you, in this kind of math you have to do story sums, you have to write something. So let's do the board work. I will solve this one in board. So first one I will take exercise 4 for exercise 4F for your example, that is 222. I will tell you that is book page. So we have to write in solution. So what is this? That is book page. So we have to write here number of each book pages, that is 222. Next, that is number of books. That is 3. So we have to multiply with 222 into 3. So in this one, I will tell you step by step you have to do. First we have to do the ones place side, that is 2. We have 2 1s into 3. So we have to do, first we have to do that ones place side. So we have to read the 3 number table, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we have to write 6 in ones place column. Next we have 2 tens in tens place, and we have to multiply it with 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 tens, we have to write the 6 in 6 tens place. Next hundreds place also 2. So we have to read the 3 table, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 606 also we have to write in hundreds place. So the answer is, it is total number of book pages. So we have to write here total number of book pages in all, that is 666. Please open your book, page number 93 for your reference. In exercise 4F, I will do the last one for your reference. So 7 number, the story is, a fruit seller sold 116 boxes of apples to a school. Each box had 5 apples. How many apples in all were sold to the school? So we have to do the multiplication, and which answer we get, that is called product, and it is the answer. So let's do that one, that is 116 boxes. So we have to write first 6 in ones place, next one is tens place, next one is hundreds place, and we have to multiply with 5 apples because each box has 5 apples. 116 total box, and each box have 5 apples. So we have to multiply with 5. So first we have to do the ones place side, that is 6 ones into 5. So we have to read the 5 table, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So 30 is 0 we have to write, and 3 we have to carry forward in tens place. Here we have 110, and we have to multiply with 5, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 tens plus 3 tens, that is 6, 7, 8 tens. So we have to write here 8, and here 100, and we have 5, so 5 ones are 5. So the answer is, how many apples in all were sold to the school? 580 apples in all were sold to the school. Hope, my dear students, all of you listen to this class. If you have any queries or any confusion, you ask me in your first class WhatsApp group, and now I will take your regular online classes. That time also you ask me. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.